Rusty De Tomaso Pantera is up for auction. Can it be recovered? There are biddings in the Bring a Trailer auction for a 1972 De Tomaso Pantera coupe. There are still a couple of days left until the end of auction, but for a vintage sports car from Italy, they are now offering only $12,500. The problem is that after 2 decades that this Pantera has spent without any movement, it needs a deep restoration. Judging by the year of production, this example is one of the first batches exported to the United States after the start of production of the De Tomaso Pantera in 1971. In the American market, Alejandro De Tomaso was supported by the Ford concern. The Pantera coupe was sold through dealerships of the Lincoln and Mercury brands. This was happening because Ford supplied the Italian company with its power units. This car is equipped with a Ford Cleveland engine with a volume of 5.8 liters and a capacity of 335 horsepower. The reason why this sports car was practically not looked after is not specified. According to the seller, he recently bought the coupe after it had been half abandoned for 2 decades. The body of the car was literally rotten in some places, the paintwork was seriously damaged, and the interior upholstery was torn. Traces of rust are also visible on the metal parts in the interior decoration. The engine of the sports car does not start, so when exactly it was last driven is unknown. On the photo of the odometer, you can see the mileage of 42,442 miles, which is 68,300 kilometers. At the same time, Pantera still has the original 15-inch Campagnolo wheels.
Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye bye.